MaFra advice for the safety and care for your car. From the MaFra professional line comes Fast Cleaner, cleaner polisher with a rapid effect for frequent use. For bodywork that always shine, rainproof with minimum effort. These brief situations that we're about to see, to some extent, we have all been through ourselves. The bodywork gets dirty just before an important appointment. The unexpected surprise at the last minute. A difficult drive in the rain. And in situations like these, any drivers who really love their cars dream of keeping them as clean and shiny at all times, with complete safety and ease. With Fast Cleaner, the exclusive formulation with synthetic waxes, fruit of years of research in the MaFra laboratories, the dream comes true. This rapid cleaner can basically be used daily to remove bird droppings, traces of insects, any type of fresh dirt left on the bodywork. As well as the imperfections left by a less than thorough wash, like lines, halos, line scale or shampoo residue, Fast Cleaner is a real dynamo. Thanks to its winning silicone-free formula, it keeps the car clean of dust and fingerprints, revives the color, and extends the duration of the wax, protecting it over time. The product is nebulized onto the part to treat at a distance of around 20 centimeters. Then it is wiped with a microfiber cloth using horizontal circular movements until completely dry, eliminating any excess product. Job done. With Fast Cleaner, you can be sure that body paint is treated and nourished, delicate skin of a newborn. Fast Cleaner means quick and easy cleaning, applying it also only on the limited bodywork parts. It means problem-free safety. It can actually also be used on warm bodywork and in the sun's rays. But this would all be useless without the two final most important objectives: shine and protection. Bodywork with constant shine, print and rainproof, with an action that gives lasting protection from dirt. The innovative Fast Cleaner water drop speed technology guarantees an effective water repellent property on glass and bodywork, adding to safety while driving. Choosing Fast Cleaner means choosing ecology, and this is an object it has always had in its sights. If I wasn't mad about cleanliness and tidiness, washing the car is a real obsession for me. The other day, friends had me try Fast Cleaner. And the best surprise was that in addition to being quick and easy to apply, it saves you a lot of time and can also just be applied to a small section. Unbelievably quick and easy. For a job like mine, the car always has to be immaculate. I've tried lots of products, but the one that satisfied me the most is Fast Cleaner. I usually have it with me all the time, and I get a professional result in just a second. Use Fast Cleaner whenever you want, and your car will always be polished, clean, and protected.